we are talking about poor sanitation in Greater Accra, or the capital city of Ghana. When we talk about sanitation, what does that mean? Sanitation in itself means or refers to a condition regarding human health. Okay, as in clean drinking water, treatments, and proper disposal of human excretory or sewage substances or particles. Now, as you can see from the video, almost everywhere in the city, it's like this. Only very few environments which we wouldn't mention in the video. Gone were the days that we used to have these town council officers or sanitation officers. Gone were the days they used to call them tankasi, yes. But actually they are sanitation officers. Yes. So during those days that these officers operate within the community across the country, everybody behave very well, as in the way they handle their refuse in the community. Everything was done well. If you leave or you throw rubbish anyhow, they get you arrested, they fine you, and you pay. So it serves a lot. So many people were punished through that, and then they decide to do the right thing. Now that these people are no longer in the community, now the community is suffering one way or the other in terms of improper disposal or handling of waste substances in the community. Now, this is how this is done. People sweep into the gutters anyhow. After sweeping, they fail to collect the rubbish. Now, that is how some people do it. And these people who also pass by or who walk around, after they eat in the polythene bags, they eat in whatever, they just leave it on the floor or they throw it into the gutter. It's also another reason. Some people also go to various homes or houses as they are paid to take their refuse to the central container or to the rubbish site or dump sites. After they left those various places or homes, they get to a point or a place whereby nobody is looking at them. They discriminately drop it or leave it anyhow in the community or dump them into the gutters. So as a result of all this, you see how people bag rubbish and then leave it behind somebody's building. Look at the gutters, they are all uncovered. They leave them anyhow. Not just that, even people go extent of defecating in the gutters, along the gutters. And these are the various places people also cook, they sell their foods, people eat around these places, they bath around these places. So what do you think will happen